London is not one city. It is at least four, stacked on top of each other across 2 millennia, each one built on the ruins of the last. The Romans founded it around 43 AD, calling it Londinium. Within a decade, it had a port, a forum, and a population of thousands. And yet, less than 20 years after its founding, a Celtic queen named Boudicca burned it completely to the ground. Archaeologists have found a distinct layer of red ash beneath the modern city, the physical scar of that destruction, still readable in the soil today. But London rebuilt, and it kept building. By the medieval period, it had grown into one of Europe's great trading capitals. Then, in September 1666, the Great Fire of London consumed more than 13,000 houses and 87 churches over 4 days. The blaze started in a bakery on Pudding Lane, a street whose name still exists today. In the fire's aftermath, Sir Christopher Wren designed 36 new churches, including St. Paul's Cathedral, whose dome remained the tallest structure in London for over 250 years. But here's what most people do not realize. The Tower of London, that fortress on the Thames riverbank, has been continuously occupied for over 900 years. It has served as a royal palace, a treasury, a prison, and a zoo, at one point housing lions, a polar bear, and an elephant, all gifts to English monarchs. And yet, even stranger than its past is its scale today. Greater London covers roughly 600 square miles and holds more than 9 million people, making it the most populous city in Western Europe. The London Underground, opened in 1863, was the world's first underground railway. Today, its 11 lines carry more than 1 billion passenger journeys every year, through tunnels that weave between Roman ruins, medieval foundations, and plague burial grounds. Beneath every step on a London street, history has not disappeared. It has simply gone quiet, waiting to be found. Some places do not just hold history, they are made of it.